All right, what's going on, everybody? I made another video, making another one here in the garage, my 3-car garage. I just got my new house. Backstory, if you want to watch that, watch the other video. But I made it. I want to make another video because on the last video I made, it's getting a pretty good amount of growth on it, and I wanted to dial in on some of the people that are commenting on that video, and a lot of them are saying, "How do you do it? How do you decide?" and what so on. I'm going to show you guys this list that I have. This list right here is what to invest. So I put 3 options here because this is what I did. This is how I dialed down. And it basically says the retirement, or you want a monthly income bonus on whatever you make. And then you want either a big savings account. So talking about me, I have all 3. So I have a retirement account, I have a monthly income account, and then I also have a big savings account. So I'm going to start with my big savings account, which is my crypto account. My crypto account is basically where I throw money into it every month or every 2 months. No, throw it in twice a month, every month. So then it just goes up, right? This is what I did to buy this house. Believe it or not, I bought this house with crypto. I bought it with crypto. This is what I did. And the guide that I'm following, or I'm showing you guys right now, I'm talking about, this is what I did. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this picture right here. So this is my crypto account. As you can see, I've been in the game for quite some time, and I'm up $6,000, basically 269% all time. That's how much money I've gained. Now, I had way more money into here, but I took out some to buy this house, of course. So it depends on what you guys want. It depends on what you want to do. This is just my big savings account. This is what I do. And if you want to know the numbers that I do and I throw in there, I threw in $75 every week. That's what I did for crypto. I had a disposable income. I did all the math. I did what I was comfortable with, and it was $75 a week. If that's what you are, you could start throwing in $75 a week. Now, I'm not going to spend too much time on that because I do like making these videos a little short, so it satisfies all of you guys. So now let's go on to number 2, which is the monthly income. So monthly income is a little bit different because I have a Vanguard account, and this is basically does both. So as you can see what I started with, and you can tell every month how much I put in, how much I gained, and basically all the returns, right? So when you're looking at this, you can see that there's a lot of negatives in here, there's a lot of positives in here. But if we swipe to the other photo, now you can see that we are now starting to gain a lot. So you can see right here, this is what we're gaining every month, and this is what we're putting in every month. So you could see right there the difference. So if you look at the February right here, I got $540. I basically gained almost $2,000 on the $10,000 I already have. So there's a couple months that are good, like this one right here, 857 that I gained. Basically gained 4,000 by that time. You know, it all just depends on what. It all depends on the market. Depends on when you got in. There's a lot of factors on there, but what I see it as is I just keep investing. I don't ever pull out. I just keep investing. Time in the market is better than time in the market. Said that plenty of times. I don't know how much more to stress to you guys, but that right there is basically, that account is my retirement. That account is my monthly income. As you can see, some months are better, some months aren't. Now, I'll give a little backstory because like I said, I like keeping these short. What I do for my Vanguard account is I invest $150 every 2 weeks. I'm going to up that to $225, I think, every 2 weeks. And that's going to be getting me compound every month, right? So getting $500, giving $800 a month, I might get $1,000, I might get $2,000 or something like that, you know? It just keeps adding up. And then we're going to go with the last thing. Well, actually, that covers both, but we're going to go with the big, or the retirement account. The retirement account is this one right here. So this one I just started a couple months back. This is what I've started a couple months back. I've been throwing in, I think, $300 every 2 weeks. And you can see we're already at $6,340. This is with me doing that. I'm basically going balls to the wall on that one, and you can see the growth is going up. But again, guys, this is all due with your disposable income. I cannot tell you how much to do. I cannot say you're going to get the same results because I do not know your monthly or your disposable income every check. Me, I do 20% of whatever I make. So for you, it might be different because you might be in a different situation. But me, I'm 20%. I treat it as a bill, and I always treat it as a bill. And as I make more money, as I bring in more money every month, I will put more into the market. So the first thing, like I say in all my end of my videos, is you need to figure out how much you can put into the market every month. Once when you figure that out, then you can start putting them in, and then you can start focusing on where do you want to focus more. My advice to you guys is if you have Robinhood, if you have Vanguard, if you have Fidelity, look into some research of some mutual funds, some index funds, just so you're safe, just so you don't see your money put in and it explodes and it goes away like crypto. I don't recommend a lot of people going into crypto unless you're in the market or unless you have more disposable income. But hey, this is your money. I'm not a financial advisor. You do it your own. I'm just showing you what I've gained from my investments, and I'm just trying to help you guys more. I know that there was a comment on my video about the numbers and how they work out, what's my goal and all that stuff. That I'm going to talk in a different video. This right here, I just wanted to talk about the 3 things that I have in my mind that I follow to the T. And I've been following it for the T, and it's now starting to pay off. I'm now starting to collect a lot more, and it's just going to keep growing as I get older. So with all that, guys, this is free information. I don't ask you guys to do anything other than like this video, follow me, and just stay up to date. I hope your investment journey follows mine. And if you do these steps now, if you do your research, you start diving in, follow this channel, I guarantee it, you're going to be successful. Again, not a financial advisor. This is just what I've done. This is my advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one.